Hi teachers, this is the last series for our thesis template, and we're going to discuss the reference, appendix or appendices, and then your CV. So for the reference, again, from the navigation menu, all you need to do is click the reference, then you'll be routed to the reference page. So for the reference, you are not to add internet sources that are unverified. If you would like to use internet sources, it should come from published materials and Google Scholar. And you're also going to list down alphabetically the following subheadings: books, journals, manuals, other sources, and then copyright of the reference material should be 2000. Copyright of the material should be 10 years from the year when you are making your study. So I made it years ago. So mine was 2000. At least 30 sources from books, journals, and other sources, and should be consistent use of APA for the format. So this is how you're going to write it. It's already formatted. All you need to do is just update it with your reference, okay? And add some more like that. Name, pay, 2009, 2018, and then control, blah, blah, blah. And then address. And then just like that, okay? Then add some more. For the appendices, you are to put each document in a separate page, and then you are to create or transmit a letter, and then put them as your appendix A. Usually, your school will give you a guide. So this is this is the guide from our school. B for the tool or interview guide, the research material. C is for the research environment. And then D is for others if you have used any other materials that you need to add in the appendices, you have to add that there. And then the CV, finally the CV. So just click this one here, Appendix A, Appendix B, the research instrument, Appendix C, like that. And then contact details, and then of course your CV. So for your CV, it should contain the educational attainment. You have to highlight the highest educational attainment, your work data if applicable, personal data or profile. Do not add everything, just limit it like this. And then your 2x2 picture in the right hand, or it could be in the center. And then contact information if you would want them added there. You can also edit this one here. So this is the template that I used. If you would like to use this for your studies, you can contact me and ask for a copy. Again, if you find this video helpful, please share this to your friends who are doing graduate studies. And if you'd like to receive notifications when I'm going to upload my next video soon, you can subscribe to my channel.